Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling precise location on your phone. This gives apps accurate coordinates. Once done, open the specific app you plan to use for live sharing and navigate to the conversation or contact. Make sure the app has permission to access location in the required mode. Otherwise, real-time updates won't work. If prompted, allow high accuracy or battery-optimized mode. Choose accuracy when you need precision. Confirm GPS icon appears. That tells you the device is broadcasting location. Now choose the person or group and tap the Share Location or Live Location button to begin. Next, select how long to share. Pick a preset like 15 minutes or set a custom duration. This prevents accidental permanent sharing. While sharing, watch the map. The blue dot marks you and a pulsing ring shows accuracy. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular signal is stable. Weak reception increases error. If you need continuous updates, enable background location and confirm the app can run while the screen sleeps. To finish, return to the chat or the app's location screen and tap Stop Sharing. This immediately ends live updates so you control your privacy. Verify by asking the recipient to confirm they can no longer see movement or by checking the shared link's expiration timestamp. If location looks wrong, toggle location off and on, restart the app and retry. That clears temporary GPS or permission glitches. If problems persist, switch to an alternative app or send a static PIN while you troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.